3 people are now home and healthy after a close brush with a silent killer, carbon monoxide. Someone left a car running in their Omaha garage Thursday, and the mistake ended up sending everyone to the hospital. CO poisoning is more common in colder months, but it is preventable. KETV News Watch 7's Nicole Goodrich is live. Nicole?
The fumes coming out of this car exhaust right now are not something you really want to be breathing in ever, but if they're in a confined space, they could be deadly. Firefighters say protecting your family is easy and cheap. A terrifying start to the day as 3 people are rushed to the hospital from this home Thursday, sick with carbon monoxide poisoning. Firefighters say a car left running in the garage overnight is to blame. Captain Brian O'Shea of the Papillion Fire Department says it happens a lot.
Forget the car's running in the garage, or the kid accidentally hits the remote start. That happens quite a bit also.
The family here was lucky. They're okay after getting hyperbaric oxygen treatments overnight, letting them breathe in 15 times more oxygen. But that's not always the case.
At high levels, you can be found unconscious and even die from it.
Prevention is easy.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
CO detectors are relatively cheap. It's a great insurance policy in case something does go wrong in the house, whether it's your furnace, hot water heater, or your gas fireplace, or even your gas stove.
But just like smoke detectors, you can't just set them and forget them.
A good rule of thumb is, just like every year when you change your batteries in your smoke detector, if you have a battery-operated CO detector, change your batteries.
And make sure everyone in the family knows, if you hear this, get outside, call 911, and have firefighters make sure everything is safe. If you're worried about the cost of a CO detector, the Papillion Fire Department, as well as others in the Omaha area, have combination smoke and CO alarms that they can give you and install for you for free. Those alarms were donated by the First Responders Foundation. Reporting live, Nicole Goodrich, KETV News Watch 7.
Nicole, thank you.